Welcome. If you're looking to stop WhatsApp from backing up your chats and media to Google Drive, you're in the right place. Whether you want more privacy, need to save space, or simply don't want your data stored in the cloud, turning off WhatsApp backups on Google Drive is quick and easy. Here's how you can do it in just a few steps. First, grab your phone and open the Google Drive app. If you don't have it installed, you can download it from the Play Store. Once you're in, look for the menu icon, usually 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it to open the navigation menu. Next, scroll down and tap on Backups. This section shows all the backups linked to your Google account, including WhatsApp. Find the backup labeled WhatsApp. It might include your phone number or device name for easy identification. Once you've found your WhatsApp backup, tap the 3 dots next to it. This will open a small menu with a few options. Here, select Turn Off Backup. You'll see a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure you want to stop backing up WhatsApp data to Google Drive. Confirm your choice, and that's it. Your WhatsApp backup will be disabled on Google Drive. From now on, WhatsApp will no longer automatically upload your chats and media to Google Drive. Your existing backup will remain unless you choose to delete it, but no new data will be saved. If you ever change your mind, you can always re-enable backups through WhatsApp's settings. This simple process gives you more control over your personal data and helps you manage your cloud storage more effectively. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips.